Do you dream of reaching financial freedom, where your money works for you instead of the other way around? What if I told you that you could start building that freedom today, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck? Stick around, because in this video, I'll share 5 simple, proven steps that helped me go from a traditional 9-to-5 teacher to building real financial independence. You don't need a finance degree or a big salary, just small, consistent actions that anyone can take. If you're ready to take control of your finances and build a life of freedom, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Step 1. Adopt a millionaire mindset. Financial freedom begins with how you think about money. Before you can grow your wealth, you have to believe that it's possible for you. A lot of people grow up hearing things like money doesn't grow on trees or rich people are just lucky. The truth is, most self-made millionaires didn't start rich. They built their mindset first. They learned to see opportunities where others saw obstacles. Start by seeing money as a tool, not as something that controls you. It's not about greed. It's about freedom, options, and peace of mind. The way you talk about money influences how you handle it. So replace negative self-talk like "I'll never afford that" with "how can I make that possible?" Spend time each day feeding your mind with positive, educational content, books, podcasts, and YouTube channels that teach smart money habits. Surround yourself with stories of people who started small and succeeded. It proves that success is repeatable. Here's a quick exercise. Write down 3 financial goals you want to achieve this year, and under each goal, list 1 daily habit that will move you closer. Mindset shifts don't happen overnight, but they start with awareness and repetition. Remember, changing your thoughts about money changes your actions, and that's the first real investment you'll ever make. Step 2. Save with a purpose. Saving money is the foundation of financial freedom, but it's not just about cutting costs, it's about saving with intention. Anyone can save a little, but those who save strategically build long-term wealth. Start with an emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This fund acts as your financial safety net, protecting you from unexpected events like job loss, car repairs, or medical emergencies. Without this cushion, small problems can turn into big financial setbacks. Once you've secured your safety net, create separate savings goals for short-term and long-term needs. This could include a vacation fund, a future down payment, or an investment fund. Giving every dollar a job helps you stay organized and motivated. Use automation to make saving effortless. Schedule automatic transfers right after payday, so you're paying yourself first before spending on anything else. You can even use money apps like Capital, Digit, or Revolut Vaults to automatically round up your purchases and save the spare change. To make it fun, challenge yourself with a 30-day no-spend challenge or a savings bingo board where you check off small milestones. Over time, these habits rewire how you think about money. Saving isn't about restricting your lifestyle, it's about building freedom and flexibility. Every dollar saved today becomes a decision maker tomorrow. Step 3. Invest to grow your money. Saving helps you stay safe, but investing helps you grow. If you want financial freedom, you have to make your money work harder than you do. Investing may sound intimidating, but it's actually simpler than most people think. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs. These funds give you instant diversification, meaning your money is spread across hundreds of companies, lowering risk while letting you benefit from overall market growth. Historically, the stock market has averaged 7 to 10% returns per year over the long term. If you're new to investing, consider starting with a robo-advisor. These digital platforms automatically invest your money based on your goals, time horizon, and comfort with risk. They're perfect for beginners who want a hands-off approach with professional guidance. For those who prefer control, start small with a self-directed brokerage account. Invest a set amount each month. This strategy, called dollar-cost averaging, protects you from market volatility and builds wealth consistently over time. You can also diversify your portfolio by exploring bonds, real estate funds, or dividend stocks once you're comfortable. The key is to start early and stay consistent, even when the market fluctuates. Here's a quick reality check. If you invest $200 a month starting at age 25, You could have over $400,000 by age 55, assuming an 8% annual return. That's the power of compound growth. It rewards time and patience more than timing. Don't wait for the perfect time to invest. The best time was yesterday. The second best time is today. Step 4. Increase your income by learning new skills. You can only cut so many expenses, but there's no limit to how much you can earn. That's why one of the fastest ways to financial freedom is learning high-value, income-generating skills. Start by identifying industries with strong growth, like technology, marketing, AI, sales, or finance. Then find a skill within those fields that excites you and can be monetized. This could be anything from digital marketing and web design to copywriting or project management. Dedicate consistent time to learning. Just 30 to 60 minutes a day can create massive change over time. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, Skillshare, and even YouTube have affordable, structured courses that can take you from beginner to employable in months. Once you've built some confidence, apply what you've learned. Offer freelance services, start a small side hustle, or even teach your skill online. You'll gain experience, build a portfolio, and earn extra income, all at the same time. To scale faster, focus on solving real problems for people. The bigger the problem you solve, the more money you can charge for your time or expertise. Remember, investing in yourself pays the highest dividends. Every skill you learn increases your earning potential for life. The goal isn't to work harder, it's to work smarter and more profitably. Step 5. Surround yourself with the right people. Your environment can either fuel your growth or slow it down. That's why the people you surround yourself with play a huge role in your financial journey. If your circle constantly complains about money or pressures you to overspend, it's going to be tough to stay disciplined. But when you're around people who talk about investments, business ideas, and personal growth, your mindset naturally elevates. Join online communities or local meetups focused on personal finance and entrepreneurship. Engage with people who share your goals. They'll motivate you when things get tough and celebrate your wins along the way. Find at least one accountability partner, someone who checks in with you regularly. Share your financial goals, track your progress, and hold each other accountable. This kind of partnership can be the difference between quitting and staying on track. Seek out mentors too. Learn from people who've already achieved what you want, whether through books, podcasts, or direct coaching. Success leaves clues. Study them and apply them. Finally, curate your digital environment. Follow creators who inspire growth and mute the ones who encourage impulsive spending. The content you consume daily has more influence than you think. Remember the quote, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." So, choose people who push you to level up, not those who hold you back. Financial freedom isn't something that happens overnight. It's built step by step, through the choices you make every day. When you shift your mindset, start saving with purpose, invest consistently, learn new skills, and surround yourself with the right people, you set the foundation for a future where money no longer controls you. It's not about being rich, it's about being free. Free to spend time with loved ones, to travel, to live life on your terms without financial stress weighing you down. The earlier you start, the faster your results compound, both financially and mentally. So start today, even if it's just one small action. Open that savings account, take that online course, or set your first investment goal. Each small decision you make today adds up to the financial freedom you'll enjoy tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more guides on building wealth, mastering your mindset, and creating the life you deserve. Thanks for watching.